How to enable dark mode in Kakaotalk application. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you want to enable dark mode in Kakaotalk, how you're going to do it, watch this video till the end and you will find out. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Kakaotalk application on your device. Then you need to tap on the setting icon at the top right corner. From there, you need to go to general settings. And here you will find the theme option. You need to tap on that one. And here you will find the system mode. If you enable that one, that means that it will change automatically. If the system mode is dark mode, it will change to dark. If the system mode is light, so it will remain light. But here, if you want to enable dark mode, just enable this one. And here, as you can see, it is changed to dark mode. You can change it anytime by accessing the same settings. And from here, you can change it to light mode again. So guys, this is all it takes to enable dark mode in Kakaotalk application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.